Hello and welcome. In the next section, he'll be predicting stock prices using long short-term memory network. So let's have a look at our project goals. So the first goal is to predict a closing price of a one share of a specific company, but along the way we want to learn how to use long short-term memory networks for forecasting. And we also want to use time series data with long short-term memory. So those are three main goals for this project. So let's look at our project's plan. So first we need to download and prepare stock prices data. I'll show you how you can download stock prices data for free, which is rare. Then we need to build a long short-term memory model in Keras, and we need to configure it so we can predict prices using it. Then we need to train and test our model. I'll show you a very nice way of figuring out how much training you need to actually do to make your model optimal. This will be a little bit different that we've done so far. And then we'll be predicting company's closing price using our model. And after that, I will discuss some of the ideas with you about what we can do to actually improve our results.